Hello adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here in Chickasha, Oklahoma for the Festival of Lights, where they have millions of twinkling, beautiful, amazing lights, festive music, and so many more things. Let's roll the intro and get right to it. This year marks the 28th annual Festival of Lights here in Chickasha. Each year, a few additional lights are added. And now we're looking at millions upon millions of beautiful lights. A covered bridge across the water. Around all the walkways, you'll find these nice lights lining the area, and tons of displays that are sponsored by local businesses. As you can see, guys, there are so many beautiful lights, and it just keeps going on and on and on. Now, they have made a few concessions this year for social distancing. The bridge is only one way. Usually it's two. They also have a few signs saying, please wear your mask when you can't social distance. So that's what we've been doing. We have it right here. There's some rides, skating, tons of cool stuff. We have a lot to do, guys. Let's get back to it. Throughout the display, they continue to do these little announcements about the fact that this is a completely donation-driven exhibit. And that is so special because it belongs to the people who actually come out here to see it every year, as well as the city of Chickasha. So it's a really cool thing to hear over the loudspeaker, in addition to the Christmas music, which is beautiful and definitely sets the tone. As you can see, it is beautiful out here. I'm passing over the water right now, and it's gorgeous. The ducks are floating, the sounds of Christmas. The lights are beautiful. It's amazing. As you can see as we walk along, the motor route actually goes right beside the sidewalk here. And they have signs posted saying, we're supposed to stay over here and they're supposed to stay over there. It makes for a great way to view and then get a little closer to all of the different exhibits. Now, something a little bit different this year is all of these displays have been moved closer to the road to accommodate for those who are wanting to social distance. You can still come out and walk around, but you won't have as many things to go around. So you can see most of the animated displays just on the driving loop, which sometimes you can't. It's kind of nice. It's a really cool way to make accommodations for this craziness that's going on around it. As you can see, guys, it is absolutely gorgeous out here. Definitely worth the drive. If you're in the Chickasha area, it is something that is a spectacle you will not soon forget. They open around 6 o'clock every night, and during the week are open until 10. On weekends, they're open till 11. Absolutely free. You can walk around or drive through. Definitely a must-see for Christmas. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and check out other future content on my channel on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sunday. I travel across the United States and bring you festive, wonderful, amazing places, not only during the holidays, but year-round. Till next time, guys. Bye!